Top 10 of the year. Number 5.
Every time I review a consumer-grade 3D printer, I'm hoping it'll be a top-notch machine in spite of its relatively low cost. I root for the technology because I know how revolutionary it is. More often than not, however, I'm let down by machines that jam, misprint, and are generally unwieldy to use. XYZ Printing has made its reputation on producing some of the industry's least expensive 3D printers. With the $290 Vinci Mini, I found a machine that's well suited to beginner hobbyists, school teachers, and small business development teams. There is no LED screen, and this machine only prints using one form of thermoplastic material, PLA or polylactic acid, which on the plus side is biodegradable. As is 30% smaller than its predecessor, the Da Vinci Junior, this printer sips desktop space. The Mini weighs just 24¼ pounds and is 15¾ by 13¼ by 14¼ inches in size, so it's easy to transport. Its overall size also leads to a relatively small print area, just 5.9 inches cubed. But for beginners, it's sufficient because you can always print large objects made of many smaller parts. The machine's compatible with computers running Windows 7 and above, and anything beyond Mac OS 10.8. Computers can connect via USB 2.0 or a home wireless network. One slightly advanced feature I like about the Mini is its onboard memory, meaning you can upload a model to print and then just unplug your computer and walk away. The Da Vinci Mini also has fairly impressive resolution. It's basically the same as the more expensive Da Vinci Junior, and it can be adjusted from 0.1mm or 100 microns to 0.4mm 400 microns. The default setting is 0.2mm. My biggest complaint with XYZ Printing is their filament lock-in. Like the inkjet printer industry, XYZ Printing sells spools of filament with a computer chip inside that, while it allows you to monitor usage, it also keeps you from refilling the spool on your own or using any other company's filament. The machine is also slow compared to more expensive 3D printers, but its speed is similar to other models that run $500 and below. What did impress me was the machine's ability to print multiple objects. In one test, I was able to print 4 Pokemon-style chess pieces at once. Each came out with good detail. Overall, the Da Vinci Mini is a machine that's superior to others in its price range, and it's one of the few that I can recommend.
Number 4. Number 3.
What's up, Kickstarter? This is Braden and Kobe, co-founders of Robo 3D, and we are back after launching our first product on Kickstarter 3 years ago.
We're proud to announce not one, but 2 new products to the Robo family. the Robo C2 and the Robo R2 3D printers.
Each one set to redefine the boundaries of 3D printing. We've really built the industry's wish list 3D printers. Everything from best-in-class print sizes, the ability to print in 20+ materials, class-leading print speeds at 250 millimeters a second, removable print beds, built-in color touchscreens, as well as built-in Wi-Fi with a smartphone app for wireless printing. All this and plenty more.
So we really built these printers from the inside out. We wanted to be structurally sound and robust, so you could print fast, you could print big, and you could print with any type of material out there.
When we were building this new line of machines, our intention was really to put all the technology and devices that we see in smart electronics into this new line of machines.
What inspires me about the technology that we work with is how easy it can be to use. So we designed the C2 and the R2 to be a full out-of-the-box experience. Pull the printer out, a quick 5-minute setup, and you're ready to print.
We really want these products to be an extension of your personality and of your life. So as you grow as a designer, as you grow as a creator, we want this product to stand there with you and really help and support you along that line.
We've come a long way over the last couple of years. We were just a few guys in a garage trying to build a business, and now we're a team of over 30.
We really appreciate our loyal customers, fans, and Kickstarter backers. And it's because of you that we've been able to create these next generation of products. We hope you're as excited as we are to launch these new products.
Without Kickstarter and your guys' support, we wouldn't be where we are today. So we're so excited to give you exclusive access to the first use of the product and be able to get it at a discounted price. So please see what we have to offer below and message us if you have any questions at all. We're always here for you.
Number 2.
We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2, the most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
Number 1.